BandLab and FL Studio are popular music production platforms with distinct approaches. BandLab is a cloud-based digital audio workstation emphasizing collaboration and accessibility, whereas FL Studio is a feature-rich desktop software designed for in-depth music creation and advanced sound design. BandLab is a free cloud-based music creation platform that lets users compose, mix, and share music online. It operates entirely in the browser or via mobile apps, enabling seamless collaboration with musicians worldwide. BandLab features multi-track editing, a wide range of virtual instruments, and built-in mastering tools. Its cloud infrastructure means projects are saved automatically and accessible anywhere, removing the need for complex setups or powerful hardware. BandLab's strengths lie in its ease of use, social integration, and real-time collaboration, making it ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and remote teams. However, its cloud-based nature can limit processing power compared to desktop software, and some advanced production features are less comprehensive. For musicians seeking a straightforward collaborative environment without upfront cost or technical barriers, BandLab provides an accessible solution that covers the essentials of music production. FL Studio is a professional-grade digital audio workstation known for its extensive feature set and flexibility. It is a desktop application available for Windows and Mac, offering advanced sequencing, mixing, and sound design tools. FL Studio supports VST plugins, MIDI control, and complex automation, catering to producers who demand precision and creative freedom. Its pattern-based workflow and piano roll editor are highly regarded for composing beats and melodies efficiently. FL Studio's strengths include powerful synthesis, comprehensive effects, and lifetime-free updates. However, it requires installation and a license purchase, which can be a barrier for casual users. The software's depth also comes with a steeper learning curve, making it better suited for intermediate to professional producers who want full control over their sound and workflow. FL Studio excels when high customization and advanced production capabilities are priorities. BandLab and FL Studio serve different user needs with some overlap. BandLab's cloud-based platform excels in accessibility and collaboration, perfect for creators working remotely or on multiple devices without heavy hardware. It's ideal for quick ideas, social sharing, and beginners. FL Studio, on the other hand, offers a robust desktop environment with deep editing, mixing, and plugin support, suited for producers focused on detailed sound crafting and professional releases. The trade-off is between convenience and power. BandLab is free and easy to start, but limited in advanced features, while FL Studio requires investment and learning, but unlocks full production potential. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize collaboration and simplicity or advanced tools and customization. BandLab is recommended for beginners and collaborative projects needing cloud access, quick setup, and social sharing without investing in software or hardware. For producers seeking professional-grade control, extensive plugins, and detailed sound design, FL Studio is the better choice. Its powerful desktop environment supports complex projects and creative freedom, making it ideal for serious music creators ready to invest time and resources.